My sister needed a part-time person to help out in the office and placed an ad in the local newspaper, which Suzette answered, and she got hired.
So I'm sitting at my desk, and mind you, there's an empty desk, and I don't know who's sitting there. I haven't figured that out yet.
I had a spot at a desk there in that office as well, but I was never there because I was always out in the facility.
There's an empty desk, there's this other guy, there's my desk, and I'm looking through the window and I'm going, wow, who's that guy on the tractor?
You know, she was very cute. We were attracted to each other.
So I go home that night and I write in my diary that I can't believe I think I just met the man I love. It's love at first sight.
Yeah.
Family time has always been really important to the Overgaag family. My mom always cooks. Whether it's something easy or complicated, we always have dinner every night around the dinner table together.
It's really fun to see the kids grow up and learn how to cook, so they're enjoying it a lot, and it's really neat to just take the products home and really use them and talk about them around the dinner table. So I found that little kids love it, and that's really unique. So for me, I enjoy that. That's what makes me tick.
But there's a lot of intention behind our products, and we do really care about the products that we put on shelf. From everything from quality control to what you're getting in the package, to what it looks like, to the branding, to what we're putting on social media, everything that goes behind this product. There are people here that are really passionate about it.
I'm Nick Sullivan. I'm the Research and Development Lead here at North Shore Greenhouses, so that means I'm our scientist. The food is very safe, yeah, so that is a great thing about the way we grow is everything is indoor. So we have complete control over what comes in and out of the greenhouse. Ultimately that has a big impact on everything, our sustainability, the quality of the crop, and it goes all the way to the consumer.
Number one, it's fresh packed every day, so if your store orders it, they get it in like 2 days later at the latest. I mean, it's really fresh.
Stater Brothers was our first customer, first retail chain that took our herbs.
We've been doing business with Stater 20 years. Yes.
Since then, Stater's always had a special place in our heart.